Hi everyone. This is our I think fifth episode of Carpool Chats with Keshav, and today we have Mukta Gowda with us. She is part of the SmartQ technology international team, and she's a QA engineer. And we wanted to have some more women representation in the Carpool Chats, and I thought it'd be good to chat with Mukta. She's been here probably a year or so.
Yeah, it's 1.5 years.
1.5 year in SmartQ. So welcome to Carpool Chats.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. If you could introduce yourself a little bit, and then we can just go into a conversation.
Yeah, hi, it's Samita. I'll be working in Control Desk as a QA. So now I'll be working in the UK thing.
UK.
And
So recently that move happened, right?
yeah,
So the-
recently, yeah. Before I used to in the Control Desk itself. We was working in the Control Desk.
Control less.
Yeah,
But in of course it was the international entire
Huh.
one single team. So how did you hear about SmartQ, and how did you
actually,
make that move to where were you before this?
before I was working in the Green Prince Technology near RV Road. It was basically
Green Prince.
Green Prince Technology.
It's a tech company.
It's not kind of tech company where it was basically a US based company.
Okay.
So it was completely kind of what do you say, the brokerage kind of thing.
Okay.
So I used to work for that as a QA response. Then later on, actually my dad was working in the SmartQ as a facility.
And
So yeah, SmartQ. So through him, he got to know we have openings. Then he has referred.
right.
Um,
I met your dad also actually. I think this was probably sometime a year ago. So I was very pleased to. I didn't know this, but I was very pleased to see that our facility manager's daughter has been gotten a job, and she cleared the interviews and got a offer from SmartQ, and it's actually that's also a very interesting heartwarming story, right? Like
Yeah.
your father being able to refer you to a job within SmartQ, and his story is also probably quite
Yeah.
interesting. And so where do you guys, like, if you can go back as to some of the roots from where you started, maybe where your dad started, and how that entire journey happened to where you are today, that'll be good to
Yeah.
look at.
Actually, my native is Hassan.
Hassan.
Yeah, Hassan. I'm from Hassan. So we had moved here for my education. So
Okay.
it's only for education. So we got in. So
What were y'all doing in Hassan? Y'all were doing into something like agriculture?
my dad was in pure agriculture.
He was a farmer.
He was a farmer.
Okay.
Then he moved to here. Then
Hassan is not very far. It's say 1.5 hours from here, right?
it's 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
When I go to Chikmagalur, I reach Hassan in like almost 1.5, 2 hours usually. But
Usually it takes 2.5, minimum 2.5 hours to my place.
okay, it's little beyond Hassan, is it?
Yeah, it's exactly like 10 or 11 kilometers away from my.
Okay. What's the name of the village in Hassan?
It's a Jodi Krishnapura.
Jodi Krishnapura.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a small village. There my daddy was doing agriculture. For my education, they moved on over here. Before moving from Bangalore, we were staying in Narmangala. It's a very small town near, like on the way. If you go for Hassan, on the way you get it.
Nagamangala.
Nagavandala.
It's probably with some 50, 60 houses or even lesser than that.
It's more than that. It's quite. It's not too big city. It's not even too small. Then I studied there till 5th. Then completely we moved to the Bangalore. Till then,
For your education.
for my education, basically for my education, they moved. So my dad used to work for the same kind of facility kind of itself. He was working in a more before.
More
Then, no, maybe,
supermarket.
supermarket. And then he came out of it because of a work pressure. He had a lot of work pressure over there.
Right.
Then he moved on to sit in hotel. There also he was working in the same way.
Okay.
Then after the COVID, he got shifted. He got this company,
Smart Q.
Smart Q. He was working. He used to say about the Smart Q each and every time. He used to send me so much of pics, whatever the event, who, whatever. He's like, see, this is, we are doing in our company. He was very happy with this company. He was too happy with this
He
company.
felt like an employee himself.
Yeah, employee himself. He'll be like, see, for everything they'll ask me, see, I have did this. See, this event is going on in your office. They're not doing anything. He used to say each and everything. And he used to send me the pics of it. Then one day he was like, send your resume. Like, there is an opening for a QA. So I sent it. And I got into this.
Amazing. And when he moved into Bangalore, you mentioned he first started with More and then Citrine Hotel. At that time, you were studying where in Bangalore? What were you studying in Bangalore?
I was from 6th my schooling started at Bangalore.
Okay.
That is one small school. Then
What's it called? What is it?
St. Lawrence English. Yeah,
Where is that?
it's very nearby my house. It's a Deepanjali Nagar.
Ipachilin.
And my mom was also a teacher over there.
Oh,
My mom was also a teacher.
so mom was your teacher at home and school.
Yeah, from beginning, my mom was my first teacher at home, my first teacher at school, both.
Great.
Yeah. Then she, in the from 6th to 10th, I studied in the same school.
Right.
Then for PU also, I studied in the Bangalore Narayana PU College.
Right.
For my engineering,
What did you study?
PCMB, was I used to learn it. Then for engineering, I got a seat in the global technology.
Okay.
GAT. GAT. There I've choose EC.
Okay.
By end of my engineering, we got a COVID.
Oh, so you finished engineering?
In the COVID. My last sem was in the COVID.
Okay.
After that, I was searching for a job because it was a COVID. We were so worried about the job. One of my cousin referred me.
Okay.
His cousin.
You would have spent, because global and then engineering and then
Yeah.
even for PU, your father probably would have spent a lot of money to make sure the
Yeah.
good seat comes
Yeah,
in and all.
everything.
So obviously that is there, that also we should get a place in a decent job. But then COVID,
Yeah, it was
very hard.
very hard. In that time, nobody was having job actually. My house, it was like we completely moved on to our village back.
You went back to Hassan.
We went back to Hassan.
Okay.
But then I got a job.
Okay. Here in Bangalore.
In the Bangalore itself, I got a job. My cousin referred me to his cousin's office. It was in MG Road. Above that Blossom House Metro Cafe.
Which cafe?
Metro.
Mateo.
Mateo.
Okay.
Mateo Cafe. Mateo Cafe.
What was it called, the company?
Aeoni. And there I worked on 2 projects.
Okay. Startup company.
Startup company. It was a very startup company. There I worked on 2 projects. One was One Page Spotlight, where basically we provide a platform for the users. Like if you are an artist,
Okay.
whatever you do, the art, you can post it over there. So I'll be knowing the artist, my friends of mine. So I'll be reposting them, this to them. So as soon as I repost, the person who has posted the original one, he used to get some amount of money based on the likes, comment, whatever. And if he feel like he want to buy that, he can be buying. Then it's a basically platform. If they like, they can make a group over there and they can start their own thing. That was one of the project. And the second one was a Spike. It was a very interesting project actually, but it not clicked very well in.
So what did you do in the first project? You built out anything like?
No, it was the testing itself.
Testing
That was almost in the middle stage. It was not from the beginning.
Okay.
And my second project was in the beginning stage. It was actually a power bank project where they used to keep it in each and every macro store.
I know this. What's this company called? Spike.
Spike. That that specialty was it used to have all the three kinds of chargers, including the lightning cable, C-type, and normal charger. All the three type was
And you can rent it out, right?
yeah, rent it out.
You pay
And
on QR, like
QR code.
you rent out.
Yeah, rent out. It didn't
Interesting.
clicked it well properly.
Okay.
So for 1 hour, they used to charge around 23 rupees or something
Okay,
for one
rent.
power bank. Yeah, and if you take one power bank 3 times, you will be able to charge completely.
Okay, 3 phones or like
Serial phone. Yeah, at a time you can charge 2 phones.
2 phones.
Yeah, it was like that.
Interesting, no? I think
It was very interesting.
as the battery, like what? And I think probably this was in what, 2020?
Yeah, 20 olds. But the major drawback was if your phone got off, you won't be able to scan and you won't be able to take it.
Right.
So that was a major drawback. And the project didn't go so well. So the company was about to end. So after that, I got shifted for the green prints.
Okay. But on that problem statement, people who are on the move and do not have access to charging, like probably if they don't have a car, if they're on a, probably a bike, and they're probably traveling in public transport, I mean, even if they're just outside, out and about, that's the biggest use case, because if you're in an office, if you're in some shop, you would generally have a
Basically, it was in pubs,
Pubs.
cafes,
Right.
and the metro stations.
all the public area.
Yeah, public.
Open
Yeah.
And then there is also the other angle of the phone qualities that they started coming in the recent years. 5000 mAh battery, 4000 mAh battery. So with even if you charge it for in the morning, you're most probably able to last till the end of the day.
Yeah.
So again, that could also probably have been a
Yeah,
thing
that
with
was also one of the. But usually, the college students and all, they never charge completely, and usually we don't do that.
okay. You'll half that. Well, don't charge it through the night.
Completely. We'll be like half charge. We'll be watching something at the night. We'll leave like that. It will.
So it's aimed at that college student
Yeah.
market rather than.
And even the people who go for office also, though they don't regularly carry the power banks because it will be heavy, or the security things and all, they don't carry. And most of the people, they don't charge completely and they go.
Right. Or they would carry at least the charger, right? But
Yeah.
if they're on the move, then they can't really use it.
Yeah.
Mm.
And one more was iPhone charger. Nobody
Had the kid.
has that cables. And iPhone users, the battery will drain up soon.
Right.
So they use it more. Within
Especially these gamers.
gamers.
They like college going kids. They keep playing those.
And we can carry that, like we can use it back around, and it was very thin.
Okay.
The battery was very thin. The power bank was very thin. It was not too heavy also. As same as this phone.
Okay.
The height also, it was almost same. It was very easily carryable.
Portable and
Portable.
nice. Then you said you moved on to green
Green
print. So what was, you said it's a stock mask, something like
It's a brokerage one.
Okay.
So basically where they store their complete details of the users. In US and all, the brokerage ring and all, it's not so easy. Like they keep each and everything as a documentation. Each and everything they document it.
Okay.
So
For example?
if you want to sell a house or if you want to buy a house,
Right.
that property,
Right.
if you want to go see that property, they maintain some documents.
Okay.
So each and everything, it's like you have to mark a date for that exactly. So you have to do that on
Very systematic.
very systematic way. There they take a record of each and everything. So to basically to store the document, it's a kind of a realistic.
Right.
So is like when user wanna buy or sell, we used to take their complete details.
Okay.
We used to send their forms. We used to get that done. Those things, it should get updated, and there are so many transactions. There will be two buyer and a seller. So to maintain that, one will be that. It's the main one. Then we used to give so many things for. We can keep it as an assistant also.
What would be an assistant?
Assistant will be able to take a data,
Okay.
and he can be able to do only few things, not completely everything.
Okay.
It was something like that. And one more was coordinator, who can follow up the things.
Okay.
It was like that.
So you had different data
Data
kept for different personas.
persons.
But in this, the QA work was what was the exact QA related role?
To test that, like if you send a form through mail, you should be able to get it.
Okay.
And if he gives a feedback, there one more thing was the application is too complex.
Okay.
You won't be able to get it very soon. And we used to use the Mailchimp to connect all the platforms. Like they used to use a Yopmail, Gmail, and they never used to do the marketing. He was like, it should be able to reach the people through. If one person comes, he should be able to. He never used to do the marketing.
Okay.
So he was in a like, the person should say to another one, then only he'll get to. He should
Word of mouth.
So word of mouth kind of.
Oh.
Here we had a very small team where one manager was there, my manager.
Okay.
And then my manager was there. Then we QAs were there and the developers were there. That's all. If he wants any requirement,
Small team in this is like 10 people?
It was around 15 to 20.
50.
Yeah. A complete team was 15 to 20, including developers, everything.
Okay. So it was like an outsourced
Outsourced.
piece of work. And who was like your client source to be? Who like these US
client, Aiden.
Okay.
Aiden. He used to come for every 3 months once. He used to come and visit. He used to take care of all the things. If any new requirement of any new project, if it is there, he used to come and he used to give things and he used to go back.
Where was your office?
RV Road. Near Vago.
Where I stay?
Yeah, RV Road.
Where in this? It's still there?
Yeah, it's still there. Like Bramble.
Bramble.
In the same road. In the same lane we have.
Okay. I didn't know this. Interesting. So you've been traveling from Deepanjali Nagar till here?
Yeah.
Let's say metro, you'll get
I used to get on the
Nice. What are your hobbies? Let's go there. Let's keep work aside for some time. What do you like doing outside of work?
I spend my most of the time with my family.
Parents.
Parents.
You have siblings?
No, I am only the kid.
Okay. So
But
most of the time with your...
mine is a very big family with a joint family we have.
We all stay together? Right?
Not here. If I go back to
Hassan?
it's my...
How big is your family?
My dad has 2 brothers, 1 sister.
Okay.
If we go, usually his sister also will come and join us. And we all cousins.
Okay.
It's around, usually we'll be
How
staying...
many cousins were it all together?
We have 5. Even my dad's brother has one kid of girls.
Okay. So all your age, same age.
Yeah, 2-3 years difference.
Nice. A good company.
Yeah, we have a very good company of cousins. We all stay together. We play badminton or we sit and have a chit chat.
In Hassan itself.
Hassan itself.
So a very family person, I would say.
Yeah, I'm a very family person. If I get a time, I just go to my hometown.
Okay.
And my mom also, she is from a very joint family. She has 7 brothers.
Oh, that side?
Yeah, it's a very big.
So which side are you closer to? Your both side? Both sides are equally close?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. But it was not like, for me, it was not like you are a single kid. So till my schooling, 4th or 5th, my sister also stayed together with me.
Your cousin?
Even she stayed.
So it didn't feel like a kid?
I was the same. I never felt.
Okay.
Then after that, year after coming in the Bangalore, one or the other person will come to our house. They'll go back.
Lot of relatives there.
A lot of relatives here also.
Good, yeah. I think that social structure is very. That's what keeps us all, happy at the end of the day. The connections with
Connections, yeah.
cousins, friends.
Yeah.
And I've also heard that you are, you crack a lot of jokes.
Oh.
So is that something which is there like in the family thing that you picked up or?
No, it's not like that. Here we have a very close friendship. Even though
I'm sure all the jokes are in Kannada, and I think we can shift to Kannada also if you want. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ.
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ we have a very good thing. I love my community. It's like, even though I've worked for 2 years, 2 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, this is something special bonding I have with the Smart Q people.
I think you bring the bonding that you had with your cousin Sapri, you're bringing that to that culture to even Smart Q. That's great.
I have a very good bonding with the people in the Smart Q also. I speak with everyone. So when we are speaking, that point by unknowingly I just teasing them.
Good. Should not keep it for formal also. It's okay. We're going to sit with each other and work with each other. Why keep it so professional and formal? I mean, there are certain professional areas, but also we want people to be themselves.
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್
ಹಾಸನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ? ಅದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ತ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಳು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ ಸಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಳಿದಾಗ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಿರಿ.
ಅವಳು ಹಾಸನ್ ಅವಳು. ಸೊ ಶಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಜೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ? ಹರೀಶ್. ಅವನು ಕಾಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಳಿತೀರ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹೆಸರು ಹರೀಶ್, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹರೀಶ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್.
Okay.
So I took it like, I didn't take it as an offense or something. I didn't feel bad if they start teasing. I was like, who Harish? Who I do Harish? I started to
treating him like you speak your father.
ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ಹರೀಶ್, ಇಲ್ಪ ಹರೀಶ್, ಹೂ ಅನ್ನು ಹರೀಶ್. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೂ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತು.
ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇನೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ದಲೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಇಟ್
on the other way. Jovial way.
Yeah, my dad is also kind of like this. Jovial.
Nice. I met your dad couple of times, and for something related to the facility thing only. I think something related to some office ನಲ್ಲಿ some parcel ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. I wanted him to hold it. 2-3 ಇತ್ತು.
ಈಗಲೂ I miss the office so much.
Yeah, I know. What's he doing now?
He works in Bosch.
Similar role?
Same role. He works in Bosch.
ಇವಾಗ so you got married recently, alva?
Yeah, 6 months.
6 months back. So how has life changed in 6 months?
No, I don't feel much changes.
That's good. So you're in your honeymoon period.
Like to stay. When I am very lucky to have.
Okay.
Even my husband family is a joint family.
Oh, similar. Or you know your husband from before also?
ಇಲ್ಲ. It's completely arranged marriage.
Okay.
But there were some few mutual friends. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ my husband brother, my co-sister, my in-laws and my in-law, I mean grandmother also stays to Kapuli also.
Oh, that's a huge family.
Yeah, it's a huge family.
Oh, how many people stay in the house?
6. My father-in-law, actually, he is still working. Even he works as a chief librarian in AIMS,
Oh,
Adi Shankari Institute. He's a chief librarian.
that is far, no? Where?
Yeah, he stays. He got one apartment, no, not apartment. He got one room, quarters. So he stays.
Okay.
So he stays there. He comes back in every weekends.
Okay.
Saturday evening he'll come. Monday morning he'll go.
Okay.
So it's a very jovial family, I can say. I was very lucky to have this.
Yeah, I can see that. Let the luck be with you and spread it around.
They're like, nothing is offensive. Whatever we feel like, we can do.
Share.
Yeah, we can share, we can do, like, there is nothing, restrictions.
No restriction.
No boundaries, no restrictions.
You feel comfortable as you are. You do as you
Yeah,
want.
and there is no much difference I can feel from my house to his house. There is nothing difference I can feel.
Amazing. Good, yeah.
And very supportive.
Is it because it's also going on record?
Yeah.
It's genuine. You can see that it's genuine. So what does he do, your husband?
He works as a hardware engineer. Like, it's a software itself, but basically
He writes software for hardware.
hardware. From designing part till testing, everything he'll take care.
Where is this?
It's a Borax solution. It's an Edward Road.
Okay. So I don't know where it comes. Which part?
Near this Kaban Park.
Oh, it's
It's
central.
central.
So you all can come together till
Yeah,
our
we
park
come-
and then.
Yeah, we come together. I get down in Vidhan Sada, he get down Sada.
Okay.
From Vidhan Sada also he can walk. It may take around 1 kilometer. That's all for him.
Okay. Nice. So yeah, so your hobbies is mostly
Spending time with my family.
traveling, any of those things with family. Do you all do a lot of?
Yeah. Now it started with my husband family traveling. They love traveling. They love trekking or doing. So
Yeah. So even outside of your husband, also others also join for the treks. Like
no, mostly the family members, complete family members.
like that's what
Cousins, his cousins,
his cousins and all.
his cousins and all. Yeah. Even he has a very big cousin team. It is around 15 to 16.
Nice. I've seen how when cousins get together, they forget the entire world. That group itself is like everything for us.
It's very big group where each and everything they do it together.
What is the plans for a New Year's or anything? Y'all have any plans as cousins? So
Yeah, they are planning for going out somewhere. I am not sure. It's not yet decided, but we are planning.
So there is this. We've done this new onboarding in our office, right? There's this card that they use. It's called this or that.
Okay.
Have you seen?
No.
So it has. In this they have, options like beach, and on that it is like mountains. Are you a beach person or a mountain person? And are you a tea person or a coffee person? Then are you a introvert or an extrovert? So I think I'm going to ask you a few of those questions
Okay.
so that people know you a little more better.
Okay.
So I start with iPhone, Android.
iPhone. iPhone. It's kind of a dream. iPhone, it's from childhood, it's kind of a dream for us. You should buy iPhone. We should buy
Aspiration.
aspiration.
Nice.
It's my first iPhone. I bought it in my money.
Our own earnings.
It's from my own earnings. Then when I joined for the first company, it was my salary was very less.
Okay.
It was very less.
What did you start with in terms of salary in your first company?
It was around 16,000 for me.
Okay.
16,000. I used to pay 5,000 EMI for my phone.
At that time only you got.
Yeah, that time itself I got my phone. I had my Android. I've done so many things to it to not to work.
Okay.
I damaged it literally. Then I took this phone.
So you bought the first one was an Android phone.
This I took it on my own.
Are you a tea or a coffee person?
I am not used to both. But when I come to office, I prefer coffee to join more than tea. Yeah.
Are you a night or a day?
Night person.
Up all night sometimes?
Huh.
Movies watching?
Watching movies or talking, whatever.
Okay, okay.
Cousins.
Pets?
Huh. I can be, but I can't get up early in the morning.
Even nighttime studies and studies and all of. Are you a beach or a mountain person? Which one are you preferring?
I like both actually. I feel the mountains are very good. The nature.
City or village side?
Village side.
That's where you were born in Hawaii. Nice, yeah. I've done one travel to Hassan and then Shetty. You know Shettigere?
Shettigere.
One church and all. So last 2000, I think 20 or some 20 or 19 itself, when Smart Q was in the old office.
Okay.
During the New Year's itself, I just randomly took the car and put my tent back where I have a tent and and a sleeping bag. Went to some place close to Yediur. Sorry, after there's Kunigal also, right?
Yeah, Kunigal, it's a starting. That's when starting itself you get that
Question.
Yeah.
Correct. So Kunigal, I first camped for one night next to a temple. Next to a temple, there's a lake. So in between that, I camped. Just spoke to some villagers, said that I want to just camp here and continue my journey. Next day, I camped in. I went to Hassan, had some great food at Mamta Hotel. I'm sure you know Mamta Hotel. Are you a non-vegetarian?
Yeah.
Or no vegetarian? So Mamta Hotel has the best, some of the best muddes and all the other protein-rich meat, I would say. Then also went to HVR. It's a dosa place. They have one branch here as well. They make very good dosa and dosas. And then went to, in the evening, went to Shetty Ali Church, camped there for the second night. Third night, I went to, where did I go? So there it was actually crazy. A lot of people came for photo shoot.
It's basically for wedding photo shoot.
Wedding photo shoots, there were a lot of people. But then by evening 7 onwards, it got cleared, and that's when I pitched the tent. Inside the church, I pitched the tent. And for at least till 1 in the night, I couldn't sleep because there were these ducks coming and making sound near my tent, because I thought, they thought something new has come and who's this sleeping here? This is our place, kind of a thing. So they started making noise till 1 in the night. Then they got comfortable that, okay, I'm not going to go anywhere. So, and then they left me. Next day morning was beautiful. Like the lake and the water body had a depot there also.
It's a very old church.
You've been to that place?
Like we have a restrictions for going over there.
Is it?
Yeah. They don't send, like there should be some other person.
Cousins also.
Cousins, so we don't go there. Yeah. They say not to go, they'll not come.
Okay. I didn't know that the restriction. Why is the restrictions there?
I don't know exactly what it is, but my cousin who stays there is still one of my cousin went, but till now we didn't go. We just see and we come back. That's all.
From far?
From far. It's
okay. And after that, I think there was one more place where there's a big dam around there, no?
Gorur Dam.
Gorur Dam, yes. Went there as well. I couldn't camp there because it was not camp friendly places I could find. I just visited that Gorur Dam and came back. That was also lovely. A lot of great natural beauty around that area. Kunigal also, I loved that area. The approach itself, like there's a highway and then the road which goes into the city. That itself was a canopy of trees welcoming you, cool breeze.
Once when you should come back to my village. So
I'll be happy to come. We get my daughter also. So,
it's like it's not inside the village. We have built the house like outside in our place itself.
okay. You have some photos of that.
Yeah, I have my house photos.
We'll show you guys also the photos once we edit this video of Mukta's Hassan. Oh. What is Hassan famous for otherwise?
Yeah, it's my house.
Oh, beautiful.
You should come always. You should stay for one night.
Surrounded by greenery.
Yeah, it's completely green.
In the farm middle.
In the middle of the farm. And back also, we have. It's something like this. We have.
Oh, well.
It's
like
not
a pond.
well. It's only kind of. It's not even a pond. It's for storing water for emergency case. But it was mainly built for the kids. They used to.
Like a swimming pool.
A swimming pool for them. Yeah, it's like a swimming pool for them. And my uncle will do farming also. We have places like that, so we can go play cricket, and he farms a cows over there.
Oh, we have a Goshala.
It's not Goshala. We have around 5 like
Dairies one.
Small kind of. It's a very nice place. We can spend without phone or anything. One complete day we can spend for.
We'll do one smart queue offside there.
Oh.
Bunch of us will come. We'll have some challenge, like how recently I think some of the QA team went for replay.ai. That similar to that, we'll do something.
Okay, you should come to my Hassan. Basically, it's my lovely place.
If you are okay to host, we are ready.
Yeah, sure. I am ready. Like whenever you say for one long weekend, we can go and we can.
Yeah. Okay. There are more people who also stay in Chikmagalur.
Yeah, Chikmagalur also, it's very beautiful. From Hassan to Chikmagalur, it's 45 minutes.
Is it?
45 to 1 hour.
Yeah, so you guys keep going there to Chikmagalur? Again, not forbidden, huh?
It's not like that. We don't go up there. We spend
more time in
more
Hassan.
In the Hassan itself.
When you initially shifted to the city, what were you feeling about the move? Because you would have had such a good time in Hassan. Like, how did you feel about shifting to Bangalore?
I was very small. I was 6th standard or something.
That time you didn't have it.
I didn't.
He just went.
I was like,
Father saying, okay, let's go there.
Let's go. And he was there and my mom was there. Like, my dad was, he had some health issues also. So, they thought we'll shift. It's stay Batangi. So, then we got shifted over here. In that time, I was very happy. I'm going for Bangalore. I'm going for Bangalore. It was a very big city for us.
Right.
Yeah. I'm going for Bangalore. I'm staying in the Bangalore. It was kind of very big thing for us. I was so happy by that time.
Yes. If you have a message for your dad, what would you say?
I
At home also. Parents.
I love them. They are everything to me. For me, friends, everything is my mom and dad.
Amazing. Grateful for them.
Yeah, I'm very grateful for them.
What are you looking forward to in the next phase? In SmartQ, outside SmartQ, both?
In SmartQ, I think I am expecting something like I am very now. I love working with the UK team. So the roadmaps if we see for the next year and all, I feel it's a very great opportunity to get over here. And I have even though it's my third company, I have a one special kind of bonding with the Smart Q. I don't know, like it's a very good bonding I have with the Smart. Yeah, with the team and even with the company also. I don't even have anything like, oh, it's company. It's not like I should go for work. I should work over here. It's not like
You don't feel
I'm going for work. I feel I should work here. I should complete this year.
right.
Yeah.
Look forward to it.
I am very excited, and for the roadmap and whatever we have for the next year, it's very amazing, and if we do it, it will be very great.
Nice. And personally,
I think I go with the flow. See, you know. Yeah, it answer.
okay. Nice. Is this the route you take?
Yeah.
And you have to come. So from Vedant Sada, you take a cab. And evenings, again same.
I go
Vedant Sada, you go to
with us
by cab.
a cab from there. And we go summit.
And how long does it take while going? Same 1 hour.
If I go to my mom's place, it will take around 10 minutes.
Deepadali, no?
Kripanjali Nagar. From there, my dad will come to pick.
To
No. To Nagarbavi, we both will happen and we has to go together. From there, Mysore Road. If we are going, we go in the Mysore Road. There we'll park our bike.
okay.
So from there, we have to go inside to Nagarpadi. So it will take more time for us to reach there. From here to there, it's around 45 minutes to go there from office. If I leave at 6:30 because of this traffic on road, I reach right around 6:51. From there, we'll take the metro. The metros will be very rush nowadays. Sometimes we can't get a
Oh, so you have to wait for 2-3 minutes.
yeah, 2-3 metros. It will be very rush. Then we'll go. In that, it will take around 20 minutes exactly from here to Mysore.
Okay.
There we have to get done, then take up the bikes. Then from there we have to travel around 6 or 7 kilometers again.
Are you a foodie? Eating in Smart Q? Are you? Favorite go-to place? Like what cuisine is yours?
I like most of this Arabic and non-veg. I love it.
I really like all this Albek, Empire.
And
Okay. Amazing. At that we come to our end of our carpool ride. It was great having you, Mukta.
thank you.
It was fun speaking outside of work. Now I know if I want a light moment, I'll where to go, which part of Smart Q to go.